Hello, I'm Patrick, and my teammates are James and Lily. We made a secure to-do list application with chatbot and natural language processing capabilities. The first major aspect of our application is security. We designed our entire project around the idea of security, and we accomplished this by creating an account management and login system complete with two-factor authentication. And we also used SHA-256 encryption to secure all sensitive user data. So now I will demo the login system of our application. So first we are prompted, do you want to create an account? Create an account, username Patrick, password is hidden from view. You're prompted to enter it twice for extra security. Make sure you don't enter the wrong password. Then you're prompted to enter your phone number. You must enter a valid phone number for this part to work. And then now that we create an account, you're prompted to log in. Log in with the account we just created. And then we enter the verification code that I just received on my phone. You might have been able to hear the text message sound, but the code is EASMRN. Alright, and we have successfully logged in.
This is the Java app that acts as our database interface for our application. Although the user won't be able to access this interface directly, the chatbot generates commands to this database to actually create and delete tasks. And we can see that we run this jar file, and then we have these commands like create, then the type of task, and then the name of the task and the date. And then we can create a subtask, and that creates a subtask. We do that a few more times to create a more complex list, and now we've got a list of tasks and subtasks that we need to complete by a certain time. And we can see that even when we exit the program and then restart the jar file, it loads the previous list of tasks. And we can actually run it again, type the help command. We can see that we can also delete tasks. And then we have the list tasks command as well.
Now let's talk about the front end for our project. It's called ToDoBot, and it's a chatbot that we built as the user interface for our project. It lives within the terminal and takes a wide variety of requests that the user can make. It's more dynamic because the NLTK library is used to tokenize the string input, and then regular expressions categorizes it as one of the functions in the ToDoBot's knowledge base here. ToDoBot then sends a reply and makes a note of what action you want it to do. And it writes that action to a .txt file and hands that to the Java file handling backend. Overall, ToDoBot is pretty comprehensive. It can handle a action such as simply add task, but it can also handle something such as let me ask a task, please. Something cool about the ToDoBot is the way it parses time and date in the utilities Python file. If you try to add a task and input February 6, 2022, 12 p.m., it will work, but if you also add a date time, such as Monday at 12, then it'll also work because it assumes you want to schedule a task for the upcoming Monday. And we can see that that command is written here, like what we told it to do.